Blueprint Build is Sphero's award-winning modular mechanical system designed to make engineering hands-on, fun, and accessible for middle and high school students. Blueprint allows students to quickly build, test, and learn engineering concepts in one class period. Spark fresh perspectives with Blueprint's standards-aligned curriculum and comprehensive resources, and challenge students to explore the world through an engineering lens, refining their systematic problem-solving skills with open-ended challenges. Ready to take it a step further? Sphero supports various CAD certification curricula with free Blueprint Onshape documents, SolidWorks, and step files, plus resources to build 3D printed models to level up builds. Blueprint instills confidence in every student, nurturing a new generation of fearless engineers, innovators, and changemakers. Blueprint, prototype your world.